Okay. Hi, YouTube. This is Kathy. I got tagged to do a pantry or a refrigerator check, and so I'm gonna do my pantry because my refrigerator is, it's not really all that full. So I'll show you what's in the pantry. Pantries, kind of. Anyway, I'll start at the bottom. So down here at the very bottom, we have flour, big old 50-pound bag of it, and then in that scoop away, where it says scoop away, there is a bag of sugar in there. Keeps it from going bad. Second shelf, we have honey, lots of broth. What are these? I don't even know what I have in here. Pinto beans, yams, more yams, another small container of sugar, cup of noodles, and see, I'm making a mess. Teriyaki beef flavored chow mein. My kids like these things. A cake that's probably been in here for a year. And then another cup of noodle. Then we have lots of oil now. Shh. No barking. I have oil because I had a deep fryer that I don't use. And there's a kitty. I have sugar cookie mix. And more cup of noodles. I have waffle mix. More pancake waffle mix and oatmeal. And more cup of noodles. Okay, here's the messy one. Sorry guys, I gotta get up. Haha. Here's our messy shelf. This is the basket shelf. We have baskets in here. It's a mess. To hold all the little stuff. So, okay, we have salad dressing. I'm not sure what this is. It's a glaze that I should probably get rid of. I have lots of Jell-O, lots of Jell-O, a lot of sugar-free, fat-free Jell-O. Cups, because we go through a lot of cups. Instant cream of wheat. Can you see that back there? That's ketchup. More pinto beans, because they're good. Okay, I went to Winco, and I was really in this phase where I was using like whole grains, and I was buying them, and I have this unmarked bag of, I don't know. I have no clue what this is, but I don't want to throw it away, but I don't know what it is. It's a whole grain. I probably just use it as like an oatmeal, but until then, until I find out what it is. Nor soup. I have, what's the back? Sorry. Spring vegetable soup. I use that in baked potato soup. I have green split beans. And I have lots of these Kool-Aid singles, which nobody drinks. I got them for the kids, thinking that they would drink them. It's, the packets. And I think there's 3 or 4 of those back there, and they don't use them. Okay, on to the next one. As you can see, I have wax paper. I have garlic and herb breadcrumbs. I'm going to move that down to the next shelf. I have Pam. By the way, there's 5 of us in this house, and we have this little tiny itsy bitsy pantry. So that's why it's so... Another waffle mix, which is supposed to be down here. We have petite diced tomatoes. Thin spaghetti, which is not supposed to be in this pantry either, but okay. We have more diced tomatoes, more pudding. Can you tell I don't go in my pantry, guys? We have hot dog chili sauce. my husband likes that sauce on those little square noodle things, kind of like cup of noodles, but it's in the plastic package. And what you do is you make those, and then you put this on. You heat it all up and put this on top of it with some cheese, and he loves that. It's delicious. Well, not good for you, but it's delicious. We got some marshmallows, which have probably been here for 2 months, maybe 3. I have onion mushroom soup. I have lots of spaghetti sauce, actually. Usually I have about 20 cans, and I'm down to about 5, I think. So usually I have a lot more. Yeah, the microwave beeped. Back here I have pasta, bags of pasta. I used to be a huge pasta fan. And I don't think you can see back there, but I've got brown rice, white rice. What is this? More white rice. Syrup. Used to be a staple in our house. Okay, top shelf. I have Lipton iced tea, Gatorade packets, peanuts. The peanuts are for protein, for days where I don't feel very good, and even though I haven't had the gastric bypass yet, I put it on to help get some protein in me when I'm not feeling all that great. Have Bisquick. I have potato buds. That is not food. I have minced garlic back there in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. Minced garlic. I have non-fat dry milk because I used to bake quite a bit. So I have tons of non-fat dry milk for making bread. Makes the best bread. And I have hamburger helper, which we never use. More potatoes back there. More rice. And some suddenly salad up there, which I don't think you guys can see, but it's that box right there. Suddenly salad, my favorite. Okay, that's one pantry. Oh, and here's my spices. Well, some of my spices. I have them Velcroed. So nifty. See, I have Velcro, a long strip. Velcro. So you just stick them up there. Velcro. And then here's my other spices. There's pretty much everything up there. And then I have more spices, but they are up in that cabinet, and I can't reach up there. Okay, now, we had a birthday party last week, so we still have balloons. Now I'm going to take you to the shoe closet, which is the shoe closet and, see, shoes. It's kind of an all-around. We have, this is I can't remember what this is called, but it holds cans. It's for, like, food storage people, and I'm into food storage, so I have kind of some food storage stuff, but we're in a really small house, so I have like soups, cream of corn, lots of refried beans because they have protein in them, chicken noodle soup. Those are for my kids. They're big fans of chicken noodle soup. I have black beans, spaghetti rings, pinto beans, lots of organic tomato sauce. I have 1 can of tuna, which we don't eat here. And then chow mein noodles, which my son just made. And then, of course, more cup of noodles. This is the top shelf. I have Jiffy, corn muffins, more tea, and that whole stack back there is macaroni and cheese, more spaghetti, manicotti, more cornbread, and then this is popcorn. A lot of popcorn, and I have more. I bought a 50-pound bag of it, so I have those all around the house. And then there's some hangers, some weird hangers. But I think that's just about it. Okay, I think that's just about it for my pantries. I don't want to show you my refrigerator because really there's not that much in there. I think we have like 2 gallons of milk, a couple packages of meat. I don't even know if we have any more yogurt because my son loves yogurt. And I think we might have a little bit of lunch meat, like some ham. So there's really not that much. My cats are interested in what we're doing in the pantry, so now they're going in the empty shoe holes. Trying to, come on, say hi. Going in the empty shoe holes. Say hi, little Einstein.
Little
Hi.
Einstein.
Yep, little Einstein's in there.
Oh.
Anyway.
This all over.
No, he's in there too. That's my son. Um, anyway, I'm going to say goodbye. Let's see. I'm going to tag somebody else, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking I'm going to tag the main geek. Um, and, oh, I can't remember. I have to go upstairs and look. But I'm going to tag a couple people, so you guys get to do this too. All right, guys. Have a great night. Bye.